Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Asian shares were on track for solid gains on Wednesday after Wall Street's strong performance on upbeat results from two technology bellwethers offset investors' recent concerns about the outlook for the global economy. MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan extended gains and was up 0.9%, while Japan's Nikkei stock average added 1.7%, rebounding from Tuesday's 2% drop. Asian sentiment also got a lift from the European Central Bank's plan to buy corporate bonds, a step that would help banks free up more of their balance sheets for lending. The ECB might decide on the matter as soon as December with a view to begin purchases early next year, several sources familiar with the situation told Reuters. The dollar inched lower on the day against the yen to 106.84 yen, while the euro nursed its losses after dropping on the ECB news and edged slightly higher to 1.2728 US dollars. Having met resistance at levels about 0.88, the Australian dollar opens this morning buying 0.8780 US cents, and attentions turn to the third quarter inflation data for further direction through trade on Wednesday. In commodities markets, Brent crude added about 0.1% to 86.30 US dollars a barrel after posting solid gains on Tuesday, helped by data showing stronger than expected China demand and some technical price recovery after weeks of almost uninterrupted selling. Spot gold was steady on the day at 1,248.75 US dollars. Today's Bank of England minutes for the previous Monetary Policy Committee meeting are expected to strengthen the view that the first interest rate hike for Britain won't arrive until deep into 2015 at the earliest. We'll also see new data on US consumer price inflation, which is expected to remain subdued in the September report. US Consumer Price Index 1230 GMT. Inflation is expected to remain muted in today's update for September. The consensus forecast sees the Consumer Price Index as unchanged last month versus August, according to the Econoday.com's survey of economists. No change for headline inflation on monthly basis translates into a lesser annual pace for the headline CPI, 1.6% versus 1.7% in August. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.